Hi, Phil here, and look what I've got for you today. No, not this. I've got this look. What a beauty. Just let you have a look at it. I'm not sure how old it is. I was thinking it was around about 1890. That's when the Art Nouveau period was popular, and this is kind of sculpted, and the key, when you see the key, you'll see the key's got this kind of natural flowing look. This bit looks more Art Deco with the square angles, so it possibly a crossover between the two. The Art Deco period ran from, it was popular in the 1920s. So it's maybe the turn of the 19th, 20th century. Could be older, and if you think it's possibly older, let me know in the comments. I'd be most interested to find out. Anyway, a good look like this deserves a good key, and this is the key here. Again, see this sculpted leaf shape that leads me to think it's Art Nouveau. And that's the end of the key. Let's see if you can. That's the working end of the key. And to open the lock, a bit clunky to try and do it. Keep it in, and you push. And that opens it up. There we go. Oh, it's pretty hard to handle when you're trying to do it in front of camera. But anyway, if you know anything about it, if you've maybe seen one before, what would it be used for? The person who bought it thought it might have been used to lock up a church, for the church doors. But who knows? Somebody might know, and if you do, let me know. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.